Hi friends, welcome back to Maths Dale. Today we are working on stem and leaf diagram. Like it's a GCSE thingy, it'll somewhere around grade 2 or 3. You'll have the questions like that. They'll give you a bunch of numbers and they will ask you to put in the stem and leaf diagram. Sometimes they come with find the median as well. Like it's a mix of questions like so let's start work, let's start put them uh, in stem and leaf diagram. So first thing is whenever you're doing they'll give you a table as well, how to put in that. So something like that you will see. I'm sure you guys came across in exam paper or things like that, a table given like that with the bunch of numbers here. So let's pick the first thing is pick the smallest and the largest number. So if you see, the smallest number we have is 29 and the largest is 55. So 29 and 55. So the smallest number is 29 and the largest is 55. So from that, we will take the first digits, 2 to 5. So we write 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like that in this stem and leaf form. Right, now we'll start our tables. So we'll start that. We'll start from the first one. So what I wrote is in the tens digit. So we wrote 2 to 5, between 2, 3, 4, 5 here basically. If it was like 125 to 155, then you will write 12, 13, 14, 15 in that form. So now let's start 35. What is 35? 35 means 3 we already have here, and we just put the 5. Tens place is already here, we put the ones numbers. So 35 is done. It's good to go with the flow, go with the starting numbers, because like some people start from 2, look for 29 and things like that. It wastes a lot of time in exam. You don't have time, so you need to speed up in calculations. So 41 is 4 and a 1, 47 in 4 and a 7, 32 is 3 and a 2, 38 3 and a 8, 42 4 and a 2, 52 5 and a 2, 31 3 and a 1, 55 41, 29. I'm sure you guys are getting 38 3 and a 8, 42 4 and a 2, 48 4 and a 8, 38 3 and a 8, 36 3 and a 6. Let's expand a little bit. 3 and a 6, 49 4 and a 9, 53 40 and 39, which is here. After that, always count them, how many we have and did we put them correct. Like 5 4 20, they are 20 numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. We got 20. So this is the first step. Now the reason we took it like that, because we don't want to miss anything and we want to speed up. Now they all are mixed ones, so redraw another one and write them properly. So when we draw that table again and put the values here, arrange them like it's 9, they should be in the proper order, ascending order, starting from 1 2 1 2 5 6 8 8 8 8 8 8 and 9, and this one 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 7 8 9 and 2 3 5. They all are in like ascending order. This is how you draw. Now one more last thing what you have to do is the key. So there'll be a box in exam, they will write key in it, or sometimes you have to write everything. So key is like you're showing what technique you applied, how you picked it. You can just pick the first number, which is 29 is equals to 2/9. That's the key. This is stem and leaf graph. It's really easy. I'll repeat exactly what I did so you guys can understand better. First, I picked this called stem and leaf. First, I picked the smallest and the largest value. Then if it's in tens, like 29, 50, 55, and all those things, then we pick the first 10 digit, tens place, 2 and 5, and write down all of them, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All of them we can write here. Then start taking from the first number, which is 35. Tens place is already here. Ones place, we write it here. Whatever is in the ones place, we started writing here, because these are the tens. Like 41, 4 and a 1, 47, 4 and a 7, 32, 3 and a 2. As you go along, plot them easily. The reason we are following that, to save the time and not to miss things. Then after that, you can use this with a pencil in exam, and you can do the proper one with a pen. So like that, and arrange them all in the ascending order, ascending path. Can you see that? Like I rearranged all of them in the ascending. That's the final bit. And this is the key. Key is what? 2/9. What is 29? I mean, what technique you're using, how you're using tens and ones. Sometimes you'll have hundreds and things like that. If you have a question where you have all the numbers in like 153, 127, then we take 12, 13, 14, 15 in this order, like that. Means hundreds and the tens place we take it, we put the ones place here. Exactly same thing. There's nothing. It's really easy to get the full marks. Now, sometimes you'll have a question in that along with this, like find the median for that. So to calculate median, median is the middle value, as you guys all know that. So the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. This is how we pick the median. N is number of values, number of how many they are, basically. We add 1 and divide by 2. So in here, exactly same thing we will use. We know that how many numbers we have altogether in that. We know we have 20 numbers, right? 5 times 4, 20. So 20 plus 1, the median will be 20 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 21 divided by 2, which is 10.5th value. 10.5th value. Now, how will you get 10.5? Means get 10th and 11th value, which is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So my 10th value is 4 and a 0, which is 40, and my 11th value is 41. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like that. It's easier to pick. If you have two values, sometimes you'll have just one value, pick it. If you have two values, add them, divide by 2. So which is 81 over 2, which is 40.5. This is your median. Median for this thing. Now, this formula is really helpful. It can be used anywhere when you're finding the median in GCSE. N plus 1 divided by 2, which is the middle value. So easily, instead of you counting each and every one, just go through, put in the formula, which is n is number of the values, which is you put in that. If like for example, if you have 21 values, so 21 values means you can just do n plus 1 over 2, which is 21 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 22 divided by 2, which is 11th value. Just go and pick the 11th value. Just count and get your 11th value, which is 41. So it's really easy. The only thing is, if you have two values, two numbers, just add them, divide by 2. So this was stem and leaf. Hope you guys understood this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video then. And if you guys need any help in any other topic, please drop message in the comments, and we'll get back to you guys. Take care. Bye.